Side note, be sure to clean up the natto container thoroughly. Otherwise, you'll smash terribly. Have fun. You guys, I have 3 more, so I'm gonna use the same natto today. Try to open up. So last time I was finding trouble to clean this plastic wrapping paper. So it's easier to take it out, to pull this wrapping paper. Make sure the sticky ones are gonna be attached to my piece of my finger. So pour, this is like a Japanese mustard, the natto sauce. So start with Japanese mustard. And I'll pour this sauce. And stir this one. I think it's sticky enough. Oop. I think it's sticky enough. That's natto's ready. So today I'm gonna show you is using this rice cake. This is like a mochi. It's made by the rice specially made for the mochi. It's already shoyu. The sweet shoyu is soy sauce is poured on the top of it, and this is like a seaweed. You can eat as it is, but what I'm trying to do is add the natto on the side by side. In order to enhance the taste, probably it's better to use this fish flake. And when eating with rice cake, we always add this fish flake to help you the extra tastiness. So what I'll do is stir one more time. And probably put the side. And mix with rice cake. So this is my final piece. Today is natto with rice cake. Sounds interesting? Yummy.